Well, welcome back to Ai Streetz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit an AI image in Canva. Okay, I have designed this image right in Midjourney, and I want to edit it. I want to make it different. I want to fill up the hair, make her hair fuller, and remove the background also. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm using Canva Pro. I'm going to remove the background. Okay, I have removed the background. Here it is. So let's continue. I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, right now I have two images. Like you cannot change it like doing this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do it like so. And more like so. So I can have the hair. Bring it down a little bit so I can have the hair like this. And I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to send it to the back. Position backward. Okay, you see this side is filling up. And then I'm going to duplicate this too. And I'm going to flip it horizontally. Okay, and I'll bring it here on this side also. Maybe tilt it a little bit, like so. And I also send it to the backward. And you see, now I have her hair filled. And I'm going to group it. And now we have her hair filled. Let's go back here. Remove the background. You see, she was like this before. Like there's no hair here. And here we had an opening. But now her hair is filled in the back here and this. So this is one of the ways you can edit your pictures in Canva. The other thing is, for instance, if you're selling digital products, you can create images in Midjourney AI. Okay, you can create images in here and then edit them and then sell them on Etsy. Okay, you can create all kinds of cute images in here and then sell them on Etsy as digital products. But the thing is, you have to create images that belong to specific niches, images that people can use, images that can be helpful to people. When they buy it, they will be able to use it, or images that people are looking for. Okay, think about the different holidays, think about the different school projects that kids do. So teachers or parents will be buying. So parents will be buying these images to make things like scrapbooking, stickers, worksheets, and all that. So always design images that people can use, and then they will sell. For sure, they will sell. Okay, so don't forget, get a Midjourney, design images and edit them in Canva. Just like I edit this lady, she can be used for different things, for different projects. She can be used for a notebook cover. Let's go in there really quick. Let's design one really quick. I'll go here. Excuse me. Go to elements. Let's say composition notebook, background. Let's go in here. Let's say we will have this. And then you can drag them. Okay. And then we can send it to the back. Send it to the back. Okay. Let's make her a little bit smaller. Right here. Let's get a label for this. Label. Okay. Let's find. Let's go back to composition book. See all. Let's remove background. Let's use this. Okay, make it bigger. Like here. And she make her a little bit smaller. Let's bring her to the front. Forward. Okay. And then we can change the color here. Go here. New. Let's make it a lighter color. Go in here. Then look for a lighter for this, like so. Okay, I love it. Let's change this also. This here. Okay, nice. Let's add some flowers. Let's see what we can get. Graphics. No, look like this ones. Bouquets. Bouquets. No, not these ones. Burgundy flowers. Oh yeah, okay. See all, yeah, I love these ones. Beautiful. Okay, let's use some of them. Let's see this one, I love this one. Add one here. Okay, let me duplicate it. Let's flip it horizontally. Yeah, like so. And then let's see this one. We'll rotate it. Add them here. Duplicate them. Flip it horizontally, vertically, yep, vertically, and then rotate them and get them in here. I love this. Yeah, notebook cover. Let's say this is the front. If you want, you can add a text on here. That's it. God is within her. She will not fail. Okay, let me change my text really quick. Let's see. I love this. I love this font. Brittany. Make it smaller. Bring it over here. Let's add some effects to it. Let's see. Let's choose another color. Let's see, white. I think white will do. Right here. Okay, this is the front one. Let's do the back. I'm just gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna remove. Oh, come on now. Position, layers. I'm going to remove this. Okay, and then I'll make her bigger. And then I'll apply this Make this bigger as well. Okay, so you see we have two of this. Notebook covers with an AI image. This is easy to do. You can watch the video and make your own. And this you can also sell on Etsy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.